They're having a little sniff around. I'm ready to roll. Over.
This is Mella.
This is Don.
And we're sharing our experience as we reduce our waste,
Create a more sustainable lifestyle,
and reinvent our habitat. In our last episode, we shared that we bought a new bus. It's an MCI D3 40-foot coach.
This was the first part of our master plan.
Our plan was simple. Buy a bus, pack everything we own into it, go glamping across the country, stop in the Midwest to convert it for a tiny home on wheels, then start traveling full-time.
But before we could pack up for our move, we needed to downsize. Our new home on wheels would be less than 300 square feet when we're finished. So it was time to get rid of stuff. Don took the opportunity to create a minimalist approach to his wardrobe.
Obviously, this is for all those super cold, freezing nights here in Southern California. Something I've been wanting to do, cut down my wardrobe to a minimalist wardrobe. Way too many clothes I don't wear. I got clothes in suitcases that I haven't taken out of the suitcases for years. And see if I can just pare it down to some of the clothes that I really love. First step, take everything and put them into piles. Some stuff I'm hoping I'll grab it, look at it, and immediately make a decision that I can donate it or we can use it for rags. I noticed I started to get pretty sentimental. There's what I call novelty clothes, novelty t-shirts. This one's hard to get rid of. I actually got this at a Pearl Jam concert, not like the kind that you buy. I'm backstage with my friend who's working for Pearl Jam and they hand me this t-shirt, which I've never seen anybody else have one of these. If it's just too big or it's not practical and I'm not wearing it, like almost ever, maybe I used it for photo shoots or my rock and roll days, it's time to get rid of it. I'm trying to designate here like things that go on the floor are getting thrown away, donated, or we can try to recycle, and then stuff on the bed I'm keeping. I don't need 7 pairs of jeans when I only wear jeans maybe twice a week. The next step really is if it doesn't fit, I gotta throw it out. This is also an opportunity to rethink my wardrobe. Maybe I look a little bit more like Aladdin than I wanted to, but I don't care because they're so comfortable. I notice I've got black, gray, and this lovely dark blue. That might be all I need for right now. How many pairs of athletic pants, sweatpants do I need? Almost finished. I'm feeling really good. There's not anything in my closet area that I don't wear regularly. And I think I got quite a ways to go before I became a true minimalist. I mean, I still have 9 pairs of pants, probably 2 or 3 dozen shirts. And I'll tell you what, Mella's gonna be so pleased when she sees how clean my wardrobe area is.
We had plenty of things to get rid of, and Mella found the Buy Nothing Project. This is a social network-based gifting community. We gave away a lot of things for free, and it also became a great way for us to source free moving materials. It also helped us to reduce our waste by reusing secondhand.
Here are Rehabitips for eco-conscious moving.
Number 1, save mailers and reuse as bubble wrap.
Number 2, collect second-hand boxes from stores, Craigslist, Buy Nothing, instead of buying new boxes.
Number 3, use bedding, blankets, towels that you're going to move anyway to pad your glasses and fragile items.
Number 4, save junk mail newspapers for wrapping your fragile items.
5. Think of moving like you think of spring cleaning. You'll find a lot of things have just been sitting around and you're ready to chuck them. Be sure and check your local municipality for designated drop-offs for electronics and hazardous waste recycling centers.
In order to use this empty bus we've got as a moving vehicle, we want to be able to put all of the belongings in it and then build a wall. I have some measurements that we took inside the bus and a blueprint that I kind of put together about how to build this wall. It'd be very easy if I had a truck, but I don't. We're set up here for moving day. I got my safety first, just to make sure everybody's aware of it. I can't believe we're gonna move in this thing. I mean, it's empty inside, and we got big bays. So this is the moment of truth. We decided to move with the bus, empty it out, but we didn't really do any kind of calculation or estimation. We just guessed that all of our stuff fit in, and hoping it'll fit inside the bus. We have 3 of these giant bins. There's one here, and one up there that we should be able to get quite a bit of stuff in. We have a outdoor furniture, so that's going in the back one because we don't want spiders and things inside the bus, especially because we're living in it. And then inside the bus, what we're doing is utilizing the entire empty space in the back and these overhead bins, which aren't that big, but they fit smaller boxes. So we've been packing with that in mind and hoping we can fit everything in. So that's a good start. Fingers crossed.
One of the big reasons for building this wall was so we could keep our cats from getting lost or trapped amongst the boxes.
I was pleasantly surprised that it all came together. It just needed a little bit more duct tape than the original blueprint.
How's that wall coming?
It's good. Look at it. We almost got a whole wall built. I didn't even think it was gonna happen.
With plenty of room to spare, we were able to set up our king-size bed.
Are you making sure everything is secure in the overhead bins?
I think you're gonna have a lot of rattling around.
Does everybody have their seatbelts on? Cell phones turned off?
Butts in their upright position.
But no, we need it open.
Because of the wall?
Yep.
Alrighty.
How's it going, Master Bungees?
I tasked my brothers to help us bungee our tables and coolers to the bus walls.
So, we're ready to head off, and the kitties are just getting acclimated to the car, having a little sniff around. I'm ready to roll. Over.
And roll we did, leaving Los Angeles, starting out on our week-long glamping trip across the country.
Go get it. How you like that, buddy?